the volcano then. Tell me it's not gonna blow.
Where's Rue?
Many questions, one answer.
No! I'm too handsome to die!
You should know the sound of your own mother's sword by now, son.
Mom!
Didn't know I raised a mama's boy.
No! Please, no!
Rue!
Huh?
Stop snoring already. 5.2 on the Richter scale this time.
You seem to dream.
And did you call for your...
Mom?
Me? As if. Must have misheard. Hey, is that some kind of transport?
Way to change the subject.
Rue's right! Look!
A transport built for 3?
You mean it could maybe take us...
Home! Mom! Let's get back to Era.
Wait up!
Right behind you!
Danger! Genie must warn.
Oh! No, wait! No! Come back!
Where did it go?
If only we'd been 10.03 nanoseconds speedier.